So here we're gonna make some soup today. We just harvested these yesterday. We had a great job, Christian. And these are young roosters. So we have a bunch of chickens, and 3 of them was roosters. So we kill one of the dead ones, and now one the sons. So one more come after this. So we're gonna see the whole process maybe. And yeah, so this one came really nice. Woo!
Yes, how old this guy?
Flying to the pot. And over here we have some there. So I have another rooster. Great job. We might start to do growing some chicken for meat also. It's very, very nice if you eat a lot of chicken, right? So this one, yeah, you can buy in the store too. If you have a place or found a farmer's market or someone in their community, and put the whole chicken here. And I'm gonna cook until to fall apart, and then we're gonna strain and mix with the final vegetables. You can put it. I'm gonna put some leeks, carrots, and maybe some potato. It's more traditional, né? And then just cook that with flavor. But before that, we're gonna cook for a few hours until it gets fall apart. And for that, I'm gonna mix some onion and parsley and a little bit the bay leaf. And I love to make soups, especially now in the winter. We just pass through this winter solstice, and it is very, very good, the warm from the soup, especially in the evening. Easy to digest and really nourishing in the cell level. And here, the best part, we have the feet. They're great. This is gonna be following all the cartilage, and very nice. Some clean, purified water until cover the chicken. Cooking. Put about 3 small ones. Don't cry. And now I'm gonna add some bay leaves. About 3 bay leaves. I add some parsley, some ginger. A little bit, yeah, like a whole piece of ginger is good spicy for cleanse and be your fire up. And now I'm gonna just add some water and to cover everything. I'm gonna be cooking these for, let's see how long. I think maybe go 4 hours, 2 to 4 hours, and then we add some final vegetables. So this one gonna be just for strain the whole liquid, and then gonna be in the top gonna be a little bit fat, also that we separate the fat. So leave in the fridge overnight or even for a few hours until the fat separates, and that fat will separate to mix also in the soup to get a little more that fat that is very good for joints and bones. This is how I'm gonna make the soup. I'm gonna to saute some leeks, and then also saute and to get a little bit brown, and then I cut some carrots also and do the same, saute together with the leeks. Add a little bit after because the carrots is a little bit faster. So saute those, and if you wanna add some potatoes as well in the end after. So saute the leeks first, and then the carrots, and then add some potatoes. Saute quickly, and then I'm gonna mix in the broth, in this liquid from this broth they're gonna be cooking, and the separation of the fat. I'm gonna put it like 3 spoons of the fat inside the soup and gonna cook until they are a little bit soft. So gonna be cooking for 30 minutes or so. Yes, and then it's ready to eat and have a very good, warm and nourishing meal. If you like us, please give us thumbs up and subscribe right now. Aloha.